Okay, and one of the first things that we learn as we come into the class is bowing. Bowing is a sign of respect. It is a way to communicate that we're here to work together, to train together, not to hurt each other. And let's go for the bow. So, I'd like you to stand up and have a go at doing this with me. This will be really useful when you come in to the actual class, because then you'll already be ahead of anybody who hasn't watched this video and doesn't know how to do the bow. So, what we'll do is we'll stand in a stance called parallel stance with the toes pointing forward, back straight, and hands in front like so. Okay, the elbows are straight but just slightly unlocked, and if you open your hands, the palms are facing each other. So let's just stand like that. The knees are straight but also slightly unlocked, so this is what it looks like from the side. The back is straight, shoulders are relaxed and back, okay, and we want to show a sense of confidence as we stand. So instead of going and slouching like this and being small, what we want to do is we want to expand like so, okay, and almost by changing this posture, we're able to overlook and see things above rather than being stuck in them, in the situation. So if a situation unfolds, we're able to observe it more clearly by being a little bit higher up and being a bit more aware of it. So we're standing in parallel stance like this. Okay, the first thing I say is heels together, which means you turn out on your right foot and bring your left foot across like this. Okay, so this is heels together. I'm doing a mirror image to make it easier. So let's have a go. Heels together, turning out on your right foot, left foot across. Okay, your heels are touching and toes are slightly apart. Fingers are straight and by your thighs. Shoulders are back, nice and confident posture. From here, we bow by bending forward like this for 2 seconds and then back up. Okay, watching closely from the side, the bow is to this angle like so, and then we come up. We bend from the hips, we keep the back straight and we keep the neck straight like this. And we allow the eyes to naturally follow the floor. Let's have a go. Okay, in Japanese, bow is rei. So whenever you hear rei, that's when we actually do the bow. Rei. Okay, and we do that for about 2 seconds, and then we come up. Next part is yoi. We bring the hands in front. Left hand goes on top. Step your left foot out, 1 shoulder width. Turn your right foot in. Close your hands into fists. Close them and tense them and bring them across. Let's have another go. Heels together. Rei. Yoi. Alright, so well done. You've just learned your first bit of karate. There's lots of things we can practice and learn together, and I look forward to an opportunity to interact with you and also share with you more of my knowledge, my insights and wisdom that I've picked up over the years. What you'll find is that on the website we have videos available. You're very welcome to start watching some of them and get more familiar with the things that we practice. And then as you start actually training, more videos will be available to you, so more categories will be opened up. Thank you very much for joining me for this introductory welcome video, and I look forward to seeing you next time.